Dragons Love Tacos 2, the sequel, written by Adam Rubin and Daniel Salmeri. Hey kid, why are all your dragon friends crying? They look so sad. No more tacos. World in shock. Emergency supplies depleted. Taco scientists baffled. Congress deadlocked on taco issue. Oh my, we got to do something about this. Listen to me, dragons. Don't freak out. No wonder they're upset. Dragons love tacos. Remember that time we had an awesome taco party with the dragons? There were so many tacos. Pant loads of tacos. Big tacos. Little tacos. Beef tacos. Chicken tacos. And because of a totally honest mistake, I'm not blaming anyone here, there were also some spicy tacos. Unfortunately, spicy salsa gives dragons the tummy troubles. And when dragons get the tummy troubles, well, you know. But now, there are no more tacos. None. Nada. Nil. If only we could somehow go back in time to our delicious taco party, before the spicy salsa, of course. We could save a handful of tacos, plant them in the ground, and grow taco trees, so we never run out of tacos again. The dragons would be so happy. Well, I know we're not supposed to mess with it, but this does seem like the perfect opportunity to fire up that time machine in the garage. A time machine lets you travel through time, back to the past, when you were a itty bitty baby, or forward to the future when you've grown to be an old man. Or in our case, back to the taco party full of tacos. You know what? Let's strap into this gizmo and give it a whirl. Set the dial to taco party. Ready, set, zam! Hey, that's you from before. Weird. Well, there are plenty of tacos here. Let's just grab some and head back before the dragons eat any spicy. Uh-oh. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Yikes. I sure hope this time machine still works. Give the dial a little twist. We'll have to go a bit further back this time, before the dragons eat any spicy salsa. Ready, set, zam! We may have gone a bit too far back. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Oh boy, not again. This time machine has seen better days. Try some machine oil. That might do the trick. Wait a second. That's not machine oil. This may complicate our journey through space-time. Dragons love diapers? That's not right. Let's try again. Right? Tacos love dragons? Weird, but closer. One more time. Zam! Dragons love tacos. That's it. Dragons, quick. Grab some tacos and let's get out of here before it's too late. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Zam! We made it! Congratulations! Oh, come on. You saved one. Phew. We'll plant a tree and have tacos forever. The dragons will be so happy. After all, dragons love diapers. Tacos. Dragons love tacos. Heck, everyone loves tacos.
Thanks for watching Reading Robinsons. Thank you so much for listening to the book. Like and subscribe and comment what was your favorite part. Thanks for watching. Keep reading, and we'll see you next time.